Have you been researching anything about making money online with AI or anything like that?
And AI is going viral for turning millionaires into billionaires. In 2022, an unknown high-tech startup released an AI that shocked the world. It cost $600,000 of computing power to create, but they made it free to use. Just like the AI made by Elon's research lab, OpenAI, this AI turns text into images. But OpenAI charges money to use their AI. This AI is free and makes people rich. The AI, called Stable Diffusion, is the fastest spreading technology ever. The creator, Stability AI, is now one of the most famous companies in the world because they made Stable Diffusion open source, meaning anyone can take it for themselves and anyone can sell it. So a few very smart entrepreneurs took it and sold it. They used an AI to add a text-to-image feature in their apps. Apps like Lensa, which have been around for years, have suddenly gone viral, and other apps have raised billions of dollars off the back of this AI, meaning
All right. So what do you think of that?
I actually asked ChatGPT about that, and it told me that I should hire developers to do that for me. Actually an idea for a website. I don't know if I told you this.
No.
I had an idea for a website that used Stable Diffusion to create images
Okay.
on demand without
Okay.
using like Discord or whatever. Just a
Okay.
website where you could have a prompt inside the website where you could just type in a prompt or type in something and it would come back with an image.
Yeah,
So
this is with the whole AI thing. It's very early days. It's almost like when crypto was first starting out, you had to jump through all these hoops to try to trade some crypto. But then eventually it got very streamlined with companies like Coinbase, and it was just you could even just do it with PayPal, right? You didn't have to do anything fancy to buy and sell crypto, right?
mhm.
Okay, so it's going to be like that with the AI. So the people that are getting in the beginning with it and are able to make it more user friendly are the ones who are going to make money.
Yeah, dude, I think there's a big opportunity coming up, man. It's like one of those waves where it's like the internet, and then it's like email, and then it's like social media, and then it's like YouTube, and all these big waves that we've had.
Mm-hmm.
Crypto,
Yeah.
this is another wave that I think if we position ourselves in the right way, as an
Mm-hmm.
entrepreneur myself, I think when I met the author of Chicken
Mm.
Soup for the Soul, Victor Hansen is his
Oh,
name.
Mark Victor Hansen.
Mark Victor Hansen. I met him at a mastermind event here in Tempe,
Mm.
Arizona, with the clever investor Cody Sperber. Anyway, I he was talking. All he was talking about was AI. The guy's like white hair, like
Mm-hmm.
up there in age, right? I mean, I don't know how old he is, but
Yeah.
this gentleman was talking about AI, the technologies, all this stuff. And I actually asked him, I said, hey, this is the idea I have. And he's like, well, there's people that can help you develop it. And he gave me the name of some guy to contact about my idea for the
Mm-hmm.
website.
Wow. Well, that's great.
Um,
Jump on it.
yeah. And dude, I have a lot of great ideas. The problem is it's like implementation,
Yeah.
you know? It's
Yeah.
it's it's all about execution.
Correct. It's all about that. So
So
yeah,
if you know any web
AI is very
developers,
exciting right now. It's tell them a little bit about the AI that you're using as a CRM.
yeah, absolutely. So we are using an AI in our day-to-day operations for the real estate investment company that I work for. And that AI has the ability to text message prospective clients, and through machine learning, the whenever somebody responds to that text message, depending on how they respond, the AI will generate another response.
Mhm.
So if they tell the AI to take a hike, literally, if they say take a hike, it's not going to know what to say. If they say no, the word NO, it'll identify that and it'll respond by saying, terribly sorry, I'll take you off the list.
Yeah.
But what you can do is you can take the response, take a hike, and tell the AI, train the AI to say, this means they don't want to talk to you, and
Mhm.
it'll trigger that same negative response.
But your AI basically is contacting people and asking them if they would like to sell the house, if there's an interest in selling the house. And the people say, well,
Yes.
how much are you going to offer? They say, well, can you tell me a little bit more about the house? Does it need any
No, it doesn't go
repairs?
that far. Yes, I mean, as an AI, what it's trained to do is get them on the phone as soon as possible. So
Hmm.
what happens is the VA that we have will get on the phone with them.
Yeah.
As soon as it tells the AI yes, or what do you have to say? What do you have to offer? What do if they show any level of interest, we get a human on the phone immediately.
Hmm.
And or the AI, I actually I gave the AI an instructions. We talked to the company, and I said, is there a possibility that when the person wants to talk to me, that moment to say something, and it'll trigger a response for them to call me directly the next day?
So instead of you having to prospect, well, not that you prospect, but I mean, because you're a closer, but instead of the VA having to text all these people, the AI, well, maybe you can just correct me. Is it the AI making all the initial responses, or you have PPC ads and people
No,
respond to those, and you have a lot of people in the database, and now you have to follow up with them. So the AI is automatically following up with them and just seeing if now they're ready to move forward and sell the house. Because a lot of times people aren't ready now. They were just curious. And then over time, they become more serious. So the AI is just following up with them rather than having the VAs do all the follow up, right? Just
correct.
checking in. Are you still looking to sell your house? Would you like a cash offer? That you can close in a week or a month. And then they might say, no, not yet. Check back with me. So is that how it's working? Is that what the AI is doing?
Yeah, there's a marketing campaign that we're running that is for the AI. And so its sole job is to get me on the phone with somebody that's motivated, or get the VA on the phone so that they can create an appointment for me to talk to that person. So the AI does it on its own, and or the VA will manually put leads into the AI
Mm-hmm.
and allows the AI to contact that person. What happens is this on the AI, when they show interest, it says, well, I'm looking at my calendar right now, and it's actually looking at my calendar,
Mm-hmm.
Gary's calendar, but it's telling the person, I have times at 2:30, 4 p.m., and 11 a.m.
Yeah.
Which one of these times works for you? And then
Mm-hmm.
they'll say 11 a.m.
Okay.
It'll create a Google Calendar. It'll create an appointment for me on my Google Calendar.
Okay.
I'll see it on my calendar.
Mm-hmm.
The 15 minutes before our appointment, I will get a text message that says, hey, just a reminder, in 15 minutes, you have an appointment with John. And then when that time comes, my phone will ring, my cell phone will ring, and it'll say, press 1 to talk to Caleb or whatever.
What is the name of this AI that you're using?
It's called Woo Sender,
Okay.
WOO Sender, Woo Sender.
So they probably have to
From
do some initial work in the beginning and then a little maintenance later, but they
absolutely,
don't have to do a lot of the heavy lifting once they get it set up.
once they get it, yeah, you're going to be continually training the AI,
Okay.
and it learns pretty quick, right? You
Yeah.
can give it manual responses, and it'll pick it up that next time when somebody says this or that, and it's a little work in progress. You got to continue to feed it whatever it needs based on what the responses are from the clients.
Yeah.
But once that's done, it's running pretty well right now. I'm getting about on average like 3 appointments a day
And out of
in my
those,
calendar.
you're closing quite a lot of them.
Um, I mean,
A couple a week.
yeah. I mean, we're getting some good
Deals under
momentum.
contract. Okay, that's
Get
good.
some good momentum. We are
Great,
definitely getting
great.
some good momentum.
Well, I'm glad it's working. Well, Gary, it's been amazing. Thank you all for watching. You all have an amazing day. Take care.
All right.
Peace.
Later.